and 4th. Rest, it was assured by the government that we will consider your demand. I will not go in deep because we have many speakers to speak and agenda is single. We are demanding it, a very single, non-negotiable demand, that is per-day banking. Comrades, to go with, in the month of March 2024, the agreement was signed between IBA and UFU that all Saturdays will be holiday, and IBA recommended to the government, but almost 2 years past, it is lying in the tower of government. UFU have been forced to give a judicial call. After many rounds of discussions also, government has not agreed our demand. Comrades, UFU has given a call of educational program on 1st December 2025. After that, we have demonstrated in Panji, Madgaon, Vasco, Honda, Sanklim, Bichole. 2 times demonstration was done. The office bearer of all the unions has made a dharna here. We have been sitting here for dharna on 5th January 2026. We have done a signature campaigning also. We have sent letters to the finance minister by all the bank branches employees. We have sent letters to the finance minister, but government is not agreeing our demand. Comrades, the time has come that we should be united. I am happy to announce you that all the 451 branches in Goa are closed today. We have to stand united. This is our motive. At the same time, we have to go aggressively with the policy. No time to give our family members. Comrades, due to work pressure, our health is getting deteriorated. This was informed to the government, and then you have read in the newspaper that there are so many cases. You should not take pressure. If the customer is objecting for it, to demanding, so we have to handle the customer accordingly. Or this has come to our notice that in many branches, top management is forcing the employees to join the bank. But in Goa, 100% bank branches are attending this drive. Banking! We demand! All days banking! We demand! कौन लड़ेंगे? हम लड़ेंगे! कौन लड़ेंगे? हम लड़ेंगे! कौन लड़ेंगे? हम लड़ेंगे! कौन जीतेंगे? हम जीतेंगे! कौन जीतेंगे? हम जीतेंगे! United Forum of Bank Union! जिंदाबाद! जिंदाबाद! United Forum of Bank Union! जिंदाबाद! जिंदाबाद! March on! March on! Zindabad, Zindabad. Workmen Officers Unity. Zindabad, Zindabad. United Forum of Banks Union. Zindabad, Zindabad. United Forum of Banks Union. Zindabad, Zindabad. World banking. We demand, we demand. World banking. We demand, we demand. World banking. We demand, we demand. UFU march on. March on, march on. UFU march on. March on, march on. UFU march on. March on, march on. कौन लड़ेंगे? हम लड़ेंगे. कौन लड़ेंगे? हम लड़ेंगे. कौन जीतेंगे? हम जीतेंगे. कौन जीतेंगे? हम जीतेंगे. Thank you, comrade.
I salute and greet you for coming here today to express and show your commitment, your determination and your resolve to make this demand of high-day banking a reality. Today, in the entire country, more than 8 lakh employees, officers, clerks, sub-staff are on strike, sacrificing their one-day salary. More than 2 lakh branches, more than 88 out of it, 88,000 plus branches of the public sector bank, more than 1 lakh branches of the cooperative bank and other private banks are on strike today in the entire country. It's a massive strike involving each and every bank employee, involving the sacrifice of one day's salary. The question before us, why such a massive strike for this demand? This is a simple demand, a logical demand, a justified demand, and yet the government made 8 lakh employees to go on strike to sacrifice their salary. More than 2 lakh branches have been closed. Let us go back and see how we have come with this demand. In fact, our demand started in 2012 when we were preparing for the 10th bipartite settlement. Because you remember, branches in bank branches were working half day on all Saturdays at that time. In 2015, in the 10th bipartite settlement, it was agreed that the second and the fourth Saturday will be holiday, whereas the other Saturday will be full day working. But we continued our demand of Saturday off on all the days. Unfortunately, for the 11th bipartite time, we could not press the demand because we were during the COVID situation. In the 12th bipartite and joint note discussion, we made it very clear to the government and to IBA, this is one of the most important demands of the bank employees. During the discussion with the IBA, because government finally after pressure told IBA to have talked with the union. And during the course of discussion with the IBA said, if you want Saturday off, you have to compensate. Because in our bipartite settlement, it is mentioned that per week we have to put in that is 6.5 hour duty. So they said you have to compensate. We agree. The union said we'll work 40 minutes every day from Monday to Friday. We agree. And this agreement was turned into a MOU on the 7th December 2023 and it was converted into settlement on 8th March 2024. Forwarded to government for approval. And we know that IBA never discusses anything until he gets a green signal from the government. So IBA accordingly recommended that unions has agreed to work 40 minutes extra and as such all Saturdays should be off. But from 23 till today, more than 2 years, government has not taken decision. In the past 3 times we gave a call for strike and we deferred it. In the course of negotiation, what was told to us in the first strike call, the government is looking into the matter. Second strike on, government is seriously looking into the matter. And recently they said it is attracting the attention of the Prime Minister. It is with the Prime Minister. Government has no time for this simple demand. And why we are demanding? It's a logical demand. First of all, there are heavy shortages in the branches. And one side there are shortages, other side there is the acute pressure of work, which has to be completed within the shortest period of time, within the same day. Many of our branch managers and staff have committed suicide because it is a toxic environment, stressful environment. And that is why we have demanded this 5-day banking. This is one. Secondly, if we go globally also, most of the global financial economies, there is a 5-day banking. They are closed on all Saturdays. In India, we have got RBI. RBI is a regulator. I can call RBI as a father. Father is on holiday on Saturday. He wants the son and the daughter to work on Saturday. This is the illogical part of it. Then about that, there's DFS. About that. So RBI is on holiday, but they want us to work. Then DFS, Department of Financial Services. I don't know what to call it. If this is Father Benefit Pitama or what, I do not know. They are on holiday.